Good morning, folks. And our neighbor lives in a log cabin here. I don't know if you can see. She cooks. She cooks with wood, which a lot of people out here in the province do. She's in there cooking breakfast over a wood fire. And there's really no chimney. The smoke just comes out right in there. And so, you wake up and that's what you smells of the morning. And for some reason this morning, it's Sunday, about 20 minutes ago, the roosters actually stopped crowing. Well, they're normally very active, but about 20 minutes ago they just quieted down and chilled out. So they're not stirred up this morning like they normally are. Today is the hour or so, a few hours, whatever, the Conor and Khabib fight. Guess I'm gonna miss it. Alright, well, maybe they fire back up. I think it's backlit a little bit. I'll try to do it like this. Here we go. Yeah, so another beautiful morning here at the condo at the beach. But the thing I haven't figured out is the internet situation. Now, when I say internet situation, I have 4G LTE Wi-Fi on my phone. But the problem is, even when you check the speeds, it's showing that it's rocking great speeds, right? Like sometimes it'll be like up to 15, 20 up. But folks, when I tried to upload that video, the $28 per month beach condo video, it literally took 3 days. I don't know what the deal is. I'm not a tech guy, but I just know this. I know that it's gonna take too long to sit here and try to upload these videos at this location. I'm gonna have to display somewhere and either see if I get a better, stronger, faster signal using cellular, using my cell phone, because I got like 10 videos to upload and just creating more video every day and trying to upload them in that manner ain't gonna work. I gotta look around. I gotta find me either a comm shop or what have you to get the stuff uploaded, even if I gotta go there once a week. I did a video before. There's a place in Cebu City, the hotel I stay at, one of them there, it's called the Welcome Hotel. Their Wi-Fi is so fast. I mean, I could have uploaded that video in 3 minutes, but it took me 3 days. So I'm gonna look around up here, see if I can find a solution, because I don't want to drop the quality down. I like shooting 1080, sometimes 4K, depending on what camera I'm using now. And what I'm thinking is maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, I roll down to Cebu City and hit the Welcome Hotel, upload all my videos, enjoy a couple drinks on the roof, maybe walk around the mall, just break up the break things up. But I know 100% I get there, I could upload 10, 20, 30 videos in a matter of an hour. So that's what I'm facing right now. You see these signs hanging up that say, they have fiber in this area. Go to the Globe shop. But when you go around and ask people about it, they just it's like a blank stare. Nobody knows what you're talking about, because not many people have the money to afford 1,600 pesos per month, so they don't know. The signs are all over. It says it's here. Home Wi-Fi, fiber, whatever. If I could run fiber into this little beach condo, then it would be the problem solved. But getting the information is challenging, and that's what you're going to find here in the Philippines. A lot of times it's very challenging to just find the information and get to somebody who knows what they're doing. That's just life here. So probably go down to the bigger city, Bogo City. Try to find somebody who knows. Try to find a Globe store. If not, you know what? I'll just roll down to Cebu City for a night. Upload all my videos at the Welcome Hotel. Go over to the mall, to the big Globe store, and find out what it takes to get fiber run into this room where I can solve the upload problem. But anyhow, that's just thoughts from the beach condo this morning. And you know, I may just break bad here in a few minutes and just spend the night down in Cebu City, get this business worked out. Alright folks, thanks for joining me. Good morning from the Philippines.